where I should have been with 8. I was 8, yeah.
That makes sense. That makes so much sense. I thought Omar was. I turned around, Omar was just sitting there. I was like, did you run in like too early and you cleared the party?
I was just trying to sack this.
Alright, they're good. I just remember getting that one early frog. I'd move into the right. So I was like, I need to get POA off, and I would turn right and cleave the party. I'm like, oh, okay, my bad.
Actually healthier.
Yeah, so hit first. I could do that. Okay. Yeah, just go there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, I live here now.
Yeah. Yeah, my bad. My bad, man.
Yeah. Times? Yep.
Multiple or singular?
I was gonna say times change, but you know, I just combine them instead. Casual brain aids moment. Man, I know. Why did it interrupt me?
Hey, Cap.
Damn. Only get slight brain damage when I get interrupted on a fucking deranged.
Auto and then no invuln.
Say, what? Oh, God damn it, how do I go that long way?
Yeah. Just remember you're taking it last. You're taking more hold on.
I got him. I'll open the thing.
So you want to rep at 6?
Just do it at 5, that should be fine. I wanted you to adjust it because we were too long. We're missing a thing. 4?
Come on. Woo, baby.
Good job. Good job.
How you guys weakness looking?
14.
Fall off the dirt.
I rate it 5 out of 5 stars. Looks pretty cool.
Alright, oh, let's actually kill this shit.
I do not think that will be a problem.
Pause for a second. Okay.
0 feathers, woohoo!
No physics.
I have 10 seconds on whispering, it should be okay.
Oh, almost gonna eat the puddle throwing Rez's out. Rez's brain too strong.
Got it. Down to the second.
Thank God I'm not playing a Rez class next spec.
You're not?
Alright.
You said?
Mm.
No, he's
Oh
playing
yeah,
Victor.
Victor, duh.
Look at the bridge.
Who's this guy?
Full of cheat sheet.
Remember beacons north. Over it. Are your debuffs? Still on thunder. Motion after this, so remember to move. Move.
Be on there for
Yeah.
spread.
Yeah. Judges under.
I'm gonna go put up here.
We're good. Stillness first. So. Party back left. Motion second.
So it's stillness motion. So get to your spots, demo move.
Don't move. Don't move.
Oh no, we're gonna win.
Don't move.
Jump,
Move.
jump, jump, jump. Yes, sir.
Yep.
And then I'll be holding it.
Minutes. Beta. So.
Spread after.
I'll be in the center with you.
Don't go to center. It's gonna be west. Who's light beacon?
It's me.
Don't be too close. Don't be too close.
Targets to the wall.
Up to the wall.
Get back here. Spread.
Red.
And then we're going west. Brent, west. Go to left delta.
Oh, I got Doku.
I'll get Echo.
I'll revoke. I'll revoke.
Sure.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
I got lost straight for Goku.
I have.
He's
I'm
involving? Yeah, I believe.
Well, never mind.
Yeah, Doku will involve. Alright. Get ready for litigation. Do you guys have a shake?
Yes,
provoke.
3.
Take first.
No DB. I run first. I run first.
Shen, are you making first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's pull this up. Lucy, you can stay here.
I got 2.
4 to 1. 4 to 1.
4 to 1. Alright, let's
Over
go
there.
Mars.
Back at A.
Second pot window in 10. Nimble now. Nimble now.
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Smoking.
Third.
Pot here, by the way, pot here. Ah, BB.
Yep, pop everything. I have red.
3 to 3.
Yep.
Middle.
Yep. This time you go first. Doko, do you have a weakness still?
Yes.
You
No,
don't
not anymore,
have
not anymore,
it.
not anymore, not anymore.
Next one,
I'll
Echo.
let Rhea.
Next one, Echo.
Oh, you will be? Okay.
You have down one then.
Oh, I do have dance code. Never mind. Last time I didn't. My bad. I was like, wait a
Alright,
second.
darn
Keep
it.
it
We got this,
going.
we got
Keep
this.
it going.
Make sure you have it.
Lots are up.
Let me convene here, please! Please! Thank you.
Oh, there we go.
Yay, good job.
Hey!
My bad, Echo. I'm so sorry.
Bonus.
Hey, if you want to know, Echo, what killed you there? Me. I walked
I
into.
was
I didn't
curious.
see you.
I was
Photo,
standing
photo,
perfectly
photo.
still.
You were. You what? You
Cutscene watchers.
1000%.
Yeah, Mike, that was we delayed so that we could get our CDs back. Sorry, I was focused on that and wasn't looking at chat.
Where's my totem? Not totem. Where's my tombstone?
Okay, I was gonna say, please don't tell me you had a full inventory. I would laugh.
Doesn't matter.
I
But
said to like empty inventory too.
I have been up, so.
Time to get my screenshot. Wow.
Congrats, everybody.
Shan, your chat scared me for some reason.
Oh, where do we go?
It's your time.
Behind the
one of
black
the-
hole, or you want the white hole?
I was gonna say choose a space butthole and stand beside it.
Yeah.
Actually, I do like the black hole. Though I one's fine, I guess.
You can do one in each.
We wouldn't find Doku.
Good job, people.
We did it.
Yay.
Good job, everyone.
Well,
yeah,
how do I
sit, jump.
reset this shit?
Sit, jump, sit, jump.
Slash it, then jump.
Oh.
Alright, where did my heart rate go to? That's...
Congratulations.
Wait, why are you guys so far away?
Was it
I
6
don't
days?
know.
Was this 6 days? But like,
I
yeah,
was,
this
count
was.
I was
is
counting
this
the
day
fairy.
6?
I have no idea. Can you actually move the ferry?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's today's 7. Okay, today's day 7.
Hey, that's still pretty
That's
fast.
good. That's hey, that was faster than new.
Consider majority of folks didn't clear this like
Recently.
for years and years.
I haven't
3
raided
years.
since our last, what's it called?
Yeah, I would say
Yeah.
Echo, you haven't. I forgot. I completely forgot you haven't. Right? It's like last time was with us in